Good morning! How are you doing today, guys? This is the Kitchen Fairy, and for today's recipe, I have gumdrop cookies to share. Again, using candies from my son's Halloween haul last October. So, because these are using gumdrops that's gotten from different houses, so we got a lot of various gumdrops. They are not all the same, but mixed. So some are Maynard's, Swedish fish, or maisie peach and whatnot, and also from Jolly Rancher, and they are sour fruits candies, but they are all gumdrops or jelly gummies candies. So check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So I'm making more cookies using my son's Halloween Halloween haul for sweets during trick or treats. These are various gumdrops or gummy candies. There's Swedish fish, fuzzy peach, and Jolly Rancher fruity sours, and Swedish berries. So these are about 12 packaging. So I'm just gonna chop them, or maybe leave whole, or maybe just half them, and we're gonna turn them into cookies, gumdrop cookies. The dry ingredients: this is 2.5 cup of strong baker's flour with 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon or generous pinch of nutmeg powder, and generous pinch of salt. So what I have is 3/4 cup of butter. Just gonna cream it first. Now we're gonna beat in 1 cup of sugar. We're gonna mix it until well blended. In 1 egg and 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now we're gonna add our dry ingredients. Followed with 1/4 cup of heavy cream. The dough is ready. Add in your gumdrop and just fold it. With your cookie scoop or ice cream scoop, we're just gonna scoop some dough and place them on baking pan. Now we're gonna bake it at 375 preheated for 10 to 12 minutes. And just cool them on the rack.